What if I told you that you could turn your creativity into cash using nothing but free AI tools? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Welcome to Azraful's AI Wealth, where we unlock the secrets to building wealth with AI. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest trends taking over social media: AI-generated cat cooking videos. These videos are racking up millions of views, and the best part? This niche is still wide open for you to dominate. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to create your own viral hits and start earning. Let's get started. Why this trend is a gold mine. Before we jump into the how, let's talk about the why. AI cat cooking videos are exploding on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Creators in this niche are pulling in thousands of followers and cashing in through ads, brand deals, and TikTok creator rewards. The demand is high, but the competition is still low. Ready to learn how? Let's go. Step 1. Generating image prompts with ChatGPT. The first step in creating these viral videos is generating the perfect image prompts. Don't worry, I've got your back. I've created a ready-made prompt template that you can use to jumpstart your creativity. You'll find the link in the description below. Copy it, paste it into ChatGPT, and let the AI work its magic. In seconds, you'll have detailed prompts ready to go. And here's the fun part. You can tweak these prompts to create endless variations. Swap out the cat for a dog, a panda, or even a dragon. Whatever sparks your imagination, the possibilities are endless. Step 2. Creating stunning images with Pickleman AI. Now that we've got our prompts, it's time to bring them to life. Head over to Pickleman AI, link in the description, and let's create some jaw-dropping visuals. If you're new, sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're in, click Create. Select the Flux Schnell model for the best results, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is perfect for vertical videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Next, paste your ChatGPT prompt into the prompt field and hit Submit. Pickleman AI will generate stunning images in seconds. Pro tip: if you want consistency across your images, use the seed number feature. This ensures your cat or whatever creature you choose looks the same in every frame. It's like having your own AI-powered film crew. Step 3. Animating your images with Hyo AI. Now that we've got our images, it's time to make them move. This is where the real magic happens. Head over to Hylo AI, link below, and let's turn those static images into captivating videos. Upload your first image, paste the corresponding prompt, and hit Create. Hylo AI will transform your image into a mesmerizing video clip. Premium users can queue up to 5 images at a time, while free users can do 3. Not happy with the results? No problem, just tweak your prompts and regenerate until you get the perfect clip. Remember, AI is all about experimentation, so don't be afraid to play around. Step 4. Editing video with CapCut. With your videos ready, it's time to polish them into a masterpiece. Open CapCut and let's put it all together. Import your clips, trim them down to about 3 seconds each, and add smooth transitions like the black fade for a professional touch. Next, drop in your background music and sound effects. For music, I recommend using Suno. It's a fantastic tool for creating custom tracks. And for sound effects, check out Pixabay. Both links are in the description. Once everything's in place, add a clear filter to give your video that polished, cohesive look. Hit export and voila, your viral ready video is complete. Let's take a look at the final result. Wow, doesn't that look amazing? With these tools and techniques, you're now ready to create your own AI-powered cat cooking videos and start building your AI wealth. Whether this is your next viral hit or the start of a whole new creative journey, the possibilities are endless. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Azraful's AI Wealth for more tips on turning AI into income. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to see the incredible videos you create. Remember, your creativity has the power to inspire the world, so start creating today.